Have you ever wondered if you and your partner could use a budgeting app together? Could it strengthen your financial bond or tear it apart? Let's dive into the world of PocketGuard and see if it's the right tool for couples. Understanding PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a personal finance app designed to help individuals manage their money. It tracks your spending, identifies areas where you can save, and even helps you set financial goals. But can it work for couples? The pros of using PocketGuard as a couple. Shared financial goals. Set joint financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, a vacation, or retirement. Track progress together and stay motivated. Transparent spending. Both partners can see each other's spending habits. This can lead to more open and honest conversations about money. Accountability partner. Having a partner to hold you accountable can be a powerful motivator. You can encourage each other to stick to your budget. Reduced financial stress. By working together to manage your finances, you can reduce stress and anxiety. You'll feel more secure knowing you're both on the same page. The cons of using PocketGuard as a couple. Potential for conflict. If one partner spends more than the other, it could lead to arguments. It's important to have open and honest communication to avoid conflict. Privacy concerns. Some people may feel uncomfortable sharing their financial details with their partner. It's important to find a balance between transparency and privacy. Tips for using PocketGuard as a couple. Set ground rules. Discuss how you'll use the app together. Agree on how often you'll review your finances and set goals. Communicate openly. Talk about your financial goals and concerns. Be honest and respectful with each other. Use the app as a tool, not a weapon. Don't use the app to criticize or shame your partner. Use it as a way to improve your financial situation together. Whether or not PocketGuard is right for your couple depends on your individual circumstances and communication style. If you're both committed to financial transparency and open communication, it can be a valuable tool. However, if you're prone to arguments about money, it may not be the best choice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.